Watch me turn this into this. This may be the easiest dress I've ever made. First, cut the fabric into a rectangle at least twice the width of your chest. Then cut a piece of elastic big enough to fit comfortably around your chest. Connect the side seams and sew a channel for the piece of elastic in the top. Then thread the elastic through the channel using a safety pin. Pro tip: try on the dress before you close up the elastic channel. I ended up cutting off a few inches of my elastic. Make 2 straps of the same fabric by cutting a strip and folding the sides in and pressing. I made the straps longer than necessary so I could decide later where to attach them. Attach the 2 straps at the same point on the center front, then play around with where you want them to attach in the back. I decided to go with hooked over the shoulder and attached under the arm. And that's it! A super comfy summer dress that's ready to hit the beach and is even suitable for nursing.